Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Karen Mendihar, 29 years old. I have a live-in partner with two kids, a 6 years old and a 3 years old boy. I am a college undergraduate of Bachelor in Animal Science. It was 2013 when I started to apply as a housekeeping here in the Philippines for 2 years. They are three members of the family, a newly married couple, and a newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities to them is to take good care of the newborn baby. My second employer, it was 2021. They are three members of the family, a husband and wife, and a 3 years old girl. My duties and responsibilities is to take good care of the baby, preparing her meals, playing with her, giving her a nice bath, and dressing her. I also teach her basic learning lesson and a good manners. From I can do also cooking 3 times a day, car washing, and marketing. From time to time, when the baby is sleeping, I will do the household chores like ironing, laundry, sweeping the floor, mopping, and cleaning bathrooms. And I will focus to the baby when she is already awake. To my past employer, ma'am, sir, I am very thankful and happy because they are satisfied on me. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, if you will hire me, you can trust me everything. I have a long patience, respect, trustworthy, and dedicated to my work. And I will also love your children and treat them as my own. Thank you and God bless.